Hi friends, this is Aman here from my tech channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use this multimeter and for AC current and DC current measuring. So let's start. So first you will take this digital multimeter and here is the on off switch, and as you can see here are two directions, this and this one. This one is for DC current and this one is for AC current. If I am putting this here, it will give my direct voltage, and in 200 it will give 1 point, and in 20 it will give 2 point place. So let's see how it works. So first I am switching on it, and now see, this is the 26-volt battery. You can see here I have connected this black with black and red with red, and make sure that you should put these two wires at the join pins. Okay, so now in 1000 volt it's giving 26 to 25 volts, and in 200 it's giving 25.5. in 2 reading it's not giving anything because it is very high voltage battery. So let's start for AC current. For AC current also we have to use this connection only, and but we have to measure na, that's why we have connected this same only, and as per that we will not turn on this side, we will turn on this side. So let's see, it's giving 56 to 55 volt AC current, and you can see here, you can see everything. So thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thanks.